Imagine this. Waking up whenever you want. No alarm clocks, no long commutes, no boss breathing down your neck. For many, this dream is called FIRE, financial independence, retire early. But is it really possible, or is it just a pipe dream? Let's find out. FIRE is a lifestyle movement. It's all about saving aggressively, investing smartly, and reaching a point where your passive income covers all your living expenses. There are two key parts to this equation: financial independence and early retirement. Let's break it down. Financial independence means you no longer rely on a paycheck. Early retirement means you choose to step away from traditional work, sometimes decades earlier than the norm. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you actually get there? The FIRE movement has a simple formula. Live below your means, save at least 50% of your income, and invest in assets that grow over time. But let's be real. Saving half your income isn't easy for most people. It starts with cutting unnecessary expenses. Do you need that daily $5 coffee? Probably not. Could you downsize your home? Maybe. The goal is to reduce your cost of living so you can funnel more into investments. But here's the catch. Achieving FIRE requires discipline and sacrifices. You might have to skip the luxury vacations, the brand new car, or the fancy dinners out. And for some, that's just not worth it. Let's address the elephant in the room. FIRE isn't for everyone. Life happens. Kids, medical emergencies, recessions. And then there's the psychological aspect. Many retirees report feeling unfulfilled or even bored after leaving their jobs. And let's not forget about inflation. The $1 million you save today might not stretch as far 20 years from now. Managing these challenges requires careful planning and flexibility. You'll need to adapt to unexpected changes while staying committed to your long-term goals. That said, there are countless success stories, like Angela, a software engineer who retired at 35 after investing aggressively in index funds. Or Chris, who turned his side hustle into a passive income stream and now travels full-time. These stories prove that with the right mindset and strategy, FIRE is possible. But remember, they didn't just stumble upon success. They planned meticulously and stuck to their goals. If you're serious about FIRE, here's what you can do. Start by tracking your expenses. Identify where your money is going and cut out what doesn't bring value. Then automate your savings. Treat saving like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Next, focus on increasing your income. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in skills that make you more marketable. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Invest wisely. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer broad market exposure. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and keep a long-term perspective. Remember, investing isn't about quick wins. It's about building wealth over time. Lastly, define what FIRE means to you. For some, it's complete retirement. For others, it's the freedom to pursue passion projects without worrying about money. Whatever your version of FIRE, make sure it aligns with your values and goals. So is financial independence and early retirement really possible? Yes, but it's not easy. It takes discipline, sacrifice, and a clear plan. The question is, are you willing to put in the work? Let's start a conversation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you aiming for FIRE, or do you think it's unrealistic? And if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on achieving financial freedom. Until next time, remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with one step. Take yours today.